Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am starting off without any makeup on and I am speaking kinda low-key because my boyfriend is sleeping, but I wanted to do a kind of everyday full face of makeup. So to start, I am using the Primark Vitamin Primer. And for foundation, as you've probably seen in a lot of videos, I'm using the Kiko Skin Tone Foundation. And I am taking 2 pumps of it in my hand. And I am going to blend it with this oval brush. For concealer, I am going to take the Maybelline Anti-Age Concealer, and this is in the shade Light. And I found out kind of this flat top brush for concealer, and it's very nice. Set it, I am using my Essence Mattifying Compact Powder. I'm taking a small brush under my eyes. I'm taking a fluffier brush all over the face. Bronzer, I am going to use the I Heart Makeup Bronze and Glow, and I am just going to use the bronzer in here. And now I am not going to take the highlighter in here because I want to use my SophX highlighter palette, and I think I'm going to take this shade for blush. I am going to take the Kiko Lip Milots in the shade Coral Cuddle. That is this very cute thing. And this one is very pigmented, so I'm just taking a little dab of it. This smells so good. Now I think I'm going to move to my eyebrows, and I think I'm going to use the Primark 3-in-1 pencil, Precision Brow Pencil and Powder. It initially was a little bit light for me, but now that I have a lighter hair, I think it will actually look nice. And I'm now taking the powder. I kind of like the effect that this gives. Now I am taking a little bit of eyeshadow primer. And for eyeshadows, I am going to take the SophX Eyeshadow palette. And my heart is kind of broken because the little claspy thing is cracked. So all over the lid, I am going to take the shade Iced Coffee and kind of set the primer with it. Now on my crease, I'm going to take this shade Peaches. I am going to move now to the shade, Pumpkin. And on my outer corner, I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Rosewood. On my lower lash line, I'm going to mix a little bit of the shade Peaches with Pumpkin. And just a little bit of Rosewood here on the outer corner. And for my lid, I am going to take a flat brush with a little bit of fixing spray, and I'm going to the shade Copper Coin. And I'm just going to take again the blending brush and whatever's left on it and blend the edges. Now I'm thinking for my inner corner, I'm going to take the I Heart Makeup palette and the highlighter in it, and I'm just going to take a small pencil brush Now for eyeliner, I am going to take the Kiko Lip Milots liner. And now to fill in the gaps for the liner, I am taking the Everlasting Kajal from Kiko. And on my lower waterline, I am taking the Lasting Precision Khol in the shade 01. That is kind of a nude shade. And for mascara, I am going to take the L'Oreal Paradise Extatic. Now on my lips, I am going to take the Avon Mark Liquid Lip Lacquer Matte, and this one is in the shade Dare to be Bare. And to finish this whole look, I'm going to take a little bit of the PS Fix and Perfect Fixing Spray. So yeah, that is everything for a very natural everyday makeup look. The lipstick is very comfortable and it's not completely transfer proof, but it wears for, what's this? It wears for a very long time. And the eyeliner is simple, it's not too much. The eyeshadow is also very wearable. And yeah, if you would like to see more of these everyday makeup looks, give this video a thumbs up or leave your comments down below. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media if you want to know what I'm up to. And also, if you want to see more of me, don't forget to click the button down below and subscribe to my channel and join the world of BeautyCraft. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!